Manufacturing operations can be divided into two basic types. First is processing operations and second is assembly operations. The processing operations transform a work material from one state of completion to a more advanced state that is closer to the final desired product. It adds value by changing the geometry, properties, or appearance of the starting material. In general, processing operations are performed on concrete work parts, but certain process operations are also applicable to assembled items. For example, painting a spot welded car body. An assembly operation joins two or more components to create a new entity called an assembly, a sub-assembly, or some other term that refers to the joining processes. For example, a welded assembly is called a weldment.